Hello, my name is Fiorina and I am an incoming freshman at Cornell University School of Industrial and Labor Relations as part of the class of 2028. Other universities I got into were the University of Southern California, Babson College, Boston University, Northeastern, UC Irvine, Fordham, Case Western Reserve, and Eastern Michigan University. I always knew I wanted to go into either business or something in the humanities, and so since freshman year of high school, my activities and the courses I took in school were kind of tailored toward that. I think a big part of tailoring your resume is actually knowing what your strengths and weaknesses are, and in my case, I didn't really enjoy the natural sciences, so I just poured my energy into doing the subjects and activities that I enjoyed. My main extracurricular throughout high school was that I founded a nonprofit organization with my friends called Kasih Edukasi, which teaches underprivileged children across Indonesia English. I also founded or was part of some youth-led media publications that focused on socio-political issues and politics in general, and I also took part in a research program and got my paper published. In terms of the college application process, for me the most challenging part were the essays and supplementals I had to write for each school, because I applied to quite a bit and they all sort of added up, and I went through many drafts of all essays, but Sharon and Origo were definitely there to help me throughout this process. Origo definitely helped me with my essays, which I found were the hardest part of the whole application process. I started my essays quite early in around May, and I went through a million drafts, and Sharon and the Origo team helped me edit and polish my essays really well. And even right now, they're also helping me with my student visa application, and so I'm very appreciative of that. Some advice is that I would say that you should focus on things that you really like and are passionate about, because not only will they be more enjoyable for you to do, but also I feel they will show through in your essays and overall application. And do things that are related to the major or field that you want to pursue, and obviously do research about the school you want to attend and the major you're applying with, and to the best of your abilities you should try connect that to things that you've already done to best demonstrate fit for the school.